Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga igala, I'm Mich again, and for today, we will be doing biscotti. Okay? So for the ingredients, I have here all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, I have granulated sugar, my dried mangoes, chopped almonds, eggs, and my Barrels chocolate chips. Okay? So first, let's whip the eggs together with our sugar, okay? At least mga 5 minutes. Again, whip the egg together with your sugar around 5 minutes or until pale and fluffy na siya. And then, while the egg and sugar are mixing, mix natin si flour, salt, and your baking soda. Yan. So you see, after 5 minutes, light and fluffy na. I mean pale and fluffy. Then, slow down. Tapos, let's put the dry ingredients. Just until ma-incorporate si flour mixture. And then after that, stop the mixer and then fold your dried mangoes, chocolate chips, and your almonds. Okay, then fold the rest of the ingredients. Dried mangoes, your nuts, which is your almond, and our Barrels chocolate chips. Then, get your cookie sheet with baking paper. Lagay natin dito si mixture, okay? Okay, then after that, pwede nyo siya press konti here para mas even. And then bake this one for 15 minutes. Do not forget, when you say biscotti, it is twice baked. So bake natin to for 15 minutes, labas natin sa oven, slice natin, and then we'll bake again for another 10 minutes. Okay? Here's our biscotti after 15 minutes, okay? And then, since twice baked, slice muna natin siya, tapos bake again for another 10 minutes, okay? Then, after slicing, pahiga mo ng ganyan. Okay? And then, bake again for another 10 minutes para tumigas siya. Okay? Yan. So, after 10 minutes na binake ulit natin, here's our biscotti. Yan. Crispy na siya. Okay? So, pwede nyo siya i-dip sa melted chocolate, pwedeng dark, pwedeng white chocolate na berries. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!